वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुर्मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. Hi all, this is Jayan Naikwade coming up with my second video for my YouTube channel Spiritual Life Journey with the Science. Okay, so today I am going to share my life, how my life has been changed because of spiritual life at high level, and top of that I will also share the spiritual guru and from where I have learned a lot in the presentation. So it's a journey wherein everyone can relate the start points, how they have cultivated their own life, okay, at the start point. Okay, so I am going to share my presentation. So today I am going to share the spiritual journey with the science. Okay, so I have already introduced myself, Jayan Naikwade, YouTube channel, so that I have been created to share what I learn in my life with the universe. So today I am going to cover the main topics that we are able to see here. So basically I have created my vision to impact of spiritual learning with the science on our life, and my mission is to share the spiritual learning. So spiritual learning and the journey with science with the community of the people, which will help them to transform their life the way it helps me. And my values is empower the people to develop their spiritual mindset with pure soul to fulfill their day-to-day work and the responsibility toward the society and the family. So these are my vision, mission and the values that I would like to share with everyone. So after that, the spiritual guru that wherein, as I told in the slide, that Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami. So I have learned the spiritual things and techniques from his literatures, one of the literatures. So that helped me to transform my life. So still I am transforming and learning till the end of my breath. Okay, so what I did here, if you see, my life is transformed due to the spiritual teaching of Sri Sant Ramdas Samartha Ramdas Swami. So that will help me, as you see the image, so how I have been transformed from this journey, which will help me in my day-to-day life and all. So that's a very good techniques that I have been learned from Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami and the other gurus also. So there are a lot of things and the potential that we have in our India from the sons. Okay, so we have to understand in the management's concept that what exactly they have been told in our day-to-day digital world, correct? And that is already written far ago by this run. So we have to see how we can transform these things with your life. If you see the image wherein I have shown the Sri Sant Jnaneshwar, Sri Sant Samartha Ramdas Swami, Sri Sant Tukaram, okay, all these are the spiritual gurus having a common aim, that is having a social reform of a people where they will transform themselves from inner to outer world. Means whatever we learn in from our conscious mind, okay, how we can transform to the world. Okay, so universe, you can see in the background image also we are able to see the earth and the universe, correct? So similarly we do have this all the things in our own body, soul. Okay, so we have to, from our inner conscious mind, we have to learn how we can use that, okay, from that teachings. So everyone has a question, who was a Samartha Ramdas Swami, Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami. So Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami was born in 1608 in Ambad district, Jalna state, Maharashtra. So he was a spiritual guru of Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, he was a master, he was a sant, philosopher, poet and the writer. His literature, Srimad Grantaraj Dasabodh, was orally narrated by Samartha Ramdas Swami to his disciple Kalyan Swami. So they have written this spiritual literature, which I already told in my previous things, which helped me to transform my life. And top of that, they also written the Sri Manache Shlok is a dialogue with have a dialogue with our mind. So this 205 there that they have written Sri Manache Shlok, so that transform our whatever the dialogue that we do with our mind in the conscious mind. So that is a very beautiful thing that they have written. And top of that, if you see, the Sri Samartha Lamdas Swami has written the literatures which will help in different aspects of life to everyone. As I correctly mentioned in previous thing, so Dasabodh is in an epic in the form of dialogue between the Guru and the disciple. So Sadguru and the Sat Shishya. Okay, so that is the beautiful relation. If you see in the image, Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami narrating the things and Kalyan Swami was writing. Okay, so that is the Dasbodh Granth has been written in the Shivtarkala. Okay, on top of that, Sri Manache Shlok, a small book on the meditation, which will meditate your mind and which will help you to understand how the mind, conscious mind, will behave based on our meditations if you do on that top. Okay, and top of that, Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami has written Sri Maruti Stotra is a poem in a praise of Lord Hanumana. So everyone knows the Lord Hanuman, correct? So they have written that poem also. Manapanchak, Atmaram, Shivakalyana Raj, Ananda Bhuvana, and many other works. Okay, so that they have written in their literature. And the famous Marathi Ganesh Aarti, everyone knows that Sukhakarta, Dukharta. And so Aartis for the Lord Hanumana, Khandoba, which form a guiding light and the beacon of hope to mankind in this troubled time. So in these troubled times, it will definitely help every person on their inner conscious mind to stabilize his mind for any situation that comes in a life. Okay, and top of that, what I have seen that if you see, Sri Samartha Ramdas Swami has given a very beautiful teachings which will help to motivate and inspire the people of Maharashtra at that time to fight against the tyrannical Islamic rule that was at that time. So that helped the people to motivate and inspire against that rule. Okay, so he galvanized the common man to work in unity for gaining the freedom and the self-respect. So that is very much needed at that time when there was a very big impact happening from the to get the freedom from that. Okay, so that things that he instilled in them a feeling of confidence, which is very much required, and asked them to destroy the greed, hatred, lust, egoism, and the anger. So these are the parts that every human being carry with them. Okay, so from the today's video, I'm just going to share all this at high level. I'm sharing these thoughts in today's video. So in my upcoming videos, I'm going to share what are the inner subject that we have, and I'm going to explain that inner subject, how it relates to us, and how we can utilize that things by using the spiritual teachings. Okay, so that's things for the day. And if you see the teachings, that the flag that we are able to see, that man is going with the confidence on the fort, that okay at that time. So that's a motivational thing that I would like to share what I learned in my life also. The way Shivaji Maharaj and his Sena, okay, so army, so they followed that, and they have won so many forts against the battle. So that's the way some inner conscious mind that we do have all these subjects. At that time, that was the enemy, but now in current today's scenario, enemy is not outside, enemy is in our inner side. Okay, we have to fight against that battle. So I'm going to explain all the things about the subjects so in my upcoming videos. So that's all for the today. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha.